Bio-R is pre-assembled and easy to install. Just mount it and plug it in. The material supplied allows installation at a maximum distance of 15 meters from the Bionest reactor. Contact your tank suppliers if additional length of wire is required. The installation sequence documents supplied with the Bio-R explains how to proceed. For best results, mount the Bio-R on a 4x4 pressure-treated wooden post. In order to avoid vibrations in the house, never mount the Bio-R on a wall. We recommend using a post attached to heavy-duty metal post spike fixed firmly into the ground. The Bio-R must be positioned in a place protected from falling snow or ice from a roof, blower, or shovel. Naturally falling snow does not cause any problems since it is not compacted. All electrical wiring, electrical receptacles, conduits and fittings are to be supplied and installed by a qualified electrician. The Bio-R must not be buried and needs to be always accessible for servicing with vent holes clear of any obstruction. Make sure to maintain a 30 cm 12-inch minimum clearance under the enclosure. Using a hose clamp, install the 90 degrees elbow to the air line coming from the system. Make sure it maintains a 1 to 2% slope towards the tank. To facilitate your work, first install the gray PVC conduit that will protect the airline. Make sure it's long enough so that the bottom will be buried in the ground. In order to maintain the correct slope, cut the pipe if it is too long. Prepare the above-ground section of the airline by securing the adapter with the air pump low-pressure sensor with a hose clamp before inserting it into the pipe. Then use a hose clamp to secure it to the 90 degrees elbow of the pipe that is in the ground. Although it is essential to insulate this pipe and the elbow in the ground to prevent condensation, it is not necessary to insulate the vertical section. Remember to use the nylon ties to secure the insulation. The airline must be carefully backfitted with a coarse stone-free draining material, over 25 millimeters, so not to puncture the airline. You can now plug in the pressure switch connectors. Before starting the system, make sure the tanks are completely filled with clean water. When this is done, you can connect the air pump and the Bio-Alarm.